Whoever made this food should be arrested. The food is too good.
Master's arrested for making food.
This should be a crime. When your food is this good, it should be a crime. No, seriously. Like, if you serve me this food now, yeah, and the food is so sweet here, and you ask me for my bank card, I can say take the bank card. Take everything.
In fact, take the wallet.
Take the wallet.
Whoever made this food should be arrested. The food is too good. That's how it started. One Nigerian tasting Jamaican food for the very first time. From the first bite, the spice took over, and what began as curiosity turned into pure cultural connection. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Today we are diving into a delicious cultural exchange. Nigerians meeting Jamaican food, and how one plate of jack chicken revealed the shared soul between Africa and Caribbean.
Go to New York and try Jamaican food. Jamaican food, the bombo clot, the blood clot, me the blood clot. Let's try Jamaican food. You guys, I just got it and it's so hot. Mina reggae, the jagga la ranga. The vibe in the restaurant is everything. They play Jamaican music. Father, bless the name of Jesus, amen. Let's try Jamaican food. Is Jamaican food worth the hype? Is Jamaican food worth the hype, yeah? So I got the jerk chicken and cabbage, rice and peas. Look at these beans. I've never tasted anything like this. It's soft. The bomb, guy. The bomb. You guys, I'm not exaggerating. This is so delicious. This is so good. Wow, this is like real, like you can tell it's real. The chicken is a little burnt. Okay. This is I swear. The bombo clot. Me in a blood clot. And it's juicy. Me in a blood clot. Jamaicans are eating good. This is better than jollof rice. Wow. I'm on a diet. I don't want to eat too much. Okay. Means a blood clot. The blood clot. Bumble clot. The clot. So good.
My fellow Nigerians, I be your boy. You be my person. I know if he lied to you. Those Jamaicans, them they cook past us. I tell you about jerk chicken, Abi. I tell you about jerk chicken. But see me, I know be small boy. So this jerk chicken, mac and cheese. This mac and cheese, correct? Brother, tell me, which food for Nigeria be like mac and cheese? Will they chop any macaroni with cheese? Will they chop? Somebody yarn me say that jerk chicken be like Mr. Biggs. You they whine me. And that one I just warm up because I tell you now, I be big boy, bro. I gotta get that oxtail with rice and peas and plantain. You know what you are doing. You will get potato salad. Get out. Get out here. Rice and peas versus jollof rice alone. Jollof rice takes it. But oxtail with this gravy. Hold on, see. No. See the sauce. Flavor with this rice. Bro, I lived in Nigeria for 18 years. Nigeria boy I be. I go tell you the truth. Nothing we cook reach this. Also, you know if you sleep on the party, wash it down. Pineapple, ginger. And last but not least, you gotta have some dessert. My fellow Nigerians, what is our own dessert? Because they got rum pound cake. And here's the breakdown. Fried dumplings, 6.5 out of 10. The jerk chicken by itself, 8 out of 10. The jerk chicken with the mac, 9 out of 10, bro. The mac by itself, 8.5 out of 10. The oxtail by itself, 10. The oxtail plus rice and peas, 11. Oxtail plus rice and peas plus potato salad, 12. Oxtail plus rice and peas, potato salad, and plantain, 13, bro. That oxtail plate, my fellow Nigerians, I promise you, try 'em. You're gonna change your perspective. That patty, it better pass a meat pie. Take 'em from me. Pound cake, 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah. This shit is gone. We're trying country-style Jamaican food. You see the motherfucking oxtails. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah, you see that motherfucking curry chicken.
What are these?
I forgot what it was called.
How you forget?
Shut the fuck up. And this is the curry chicken with
Ooh,
the potatoes.
that looks fire.
Ooh, I'm finna pluck it up. Got the pineapple soda. And then this is the pineapple ginger juice.
Yeah, get into these oxtails. What?
You is real thirsty about
I'm
that
ready
shit.
for 'em.
Okay, wait. Goddamn. First we are trying the oxtails.
Yeah, okay.
Damn. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ooh.
That motherfucker. Hold on. Shit.
Look how it's just.
That shit is so fucking fire. Yeah. This shit is gone.
All right, let's
Get into this right here. Look at that. That motherfucker juicy and motherfucking tender.
Why you didn't give me my own plate?
Because listen.
Here she go.
Yeah. Don't get me fucking started.
Ooh, got a little kick to it. That's good.
Get a bread. Get one out of there.
How you know that's bread?
I don't care. It's papa. Get papa. Papa.
That's good.
And you know, I never liked the Jamaican food. You knew that. You know, I dive in. They fucking shit over on my job.
What?
Look at this. Look. Look how tender. Look at that. Look how tender that shit is. Good goodness.
Yeah.
This shit makes me want to dance. You were supposed to. What the fuck are you doing? That's the problem.
That's good.
I feel Jamaican. I feel Jamaican.
Okay.
Get the pineapple juice. Yeah. Look, get this shit. Look, taste
She
it.
crazy. I love that for me.
Huh?
That's good.
Yeah, I knew you. Okay.
Girl.
It really makes me want to dance.
So listen, we got the right rice, got the curry gold, one, cabbage, mac and cheese,
Somebody seen it to me the one.
the oxtail,
Watch me now.
the curry shrimp,
Eat.
rice and peas,
Rice and
and
peas.
chicken.
What?
Blessing.
Blessing.
Yo, look at this Jamaican food right here.
The Jamaican, man, we take us all the way
Did I
there.
do my thing or what?
Yes, you did your thing. You did your thing. Brother, Bombay Clot,
My fellow Nigerians, remember when we used to think our food was the best? Remember when we used to think that now our jollof rice reign past everybody? Now we think now we do food. Now us do food. Remember, we know win again. Make I just come closer. Make I yarn you. We no get the position again. No, we don't get our jollof rice try, our goat meat try. But those Jamaican people, oh my God. Oh boy, if you know, you know. If you don't know, enter correct Jamaican.
You couldn't wait for me to share your food, dear.
You know the nice smell I get when I came inside here? You can't wait. Immediately I came in, the smell.
I say, happy sweet, you make you take out more Robert.
Yeah. The nice aroma of the saltfish and ackee was just immediately I opened the door. So I was just waiting, but you were wasting a lot of time. The thing was wow enough, so I just came in and take it up by myself.
Yeah, because me at your so when you sit down, me go serve it to you. But,
I can't wait anymore. Honestly, the thing is so nice.
you know what that's over there, sir? No, the other one.
Cassava, dumpling, radish, dumpling, ackee, saltfish.
What do you think? Good? Nice. I told you. I knew he would like it. This is the same man that didn't want to come.
It all starts with laughter, disbelief, and a little bit of pepper shock. Whoever made this food should be arrested, he says again jokingly but serious. Because the jerk chicken hit different, he takes another test. Rice and peas, cabbage, a piece of plantain, and says, if you serve me this food now and ask for my bank card, take it. Take the wallet. That's not just flavor. That's emotion. The richness of spices, the smokiness of the jack, the sweet contrast of the plantain. It's more than food, it's heritage. Now, when you step into a Jamaican restaurant, it's not only about the food, it's about the vibe. The music plays, the aroma hits you, and suddenly you are not just eating, you are vibing. As one Nigerian said, the vibe in the restaurant is everything. They play Jamaican music, bless Jesus. You can feel the reggae rhythm mixing with Niger energy. Two worlds connected by one ancestral drum beat. There is where you realize Jamaican cooking carries spirit. The jack seasoning is a story of resistance. The oxtail stew is a song of survival. Every bite carries history from Africa, seasoned through centuries of Caribbean creativity. The reactions keeps getting louder. This is better than jollof rice. The oxtail by itself, 10 out of 10. But with rice and peas, 12. You can tell it's not just taste, it's discovery. They are realizing the connection between jollof rice and peas, between Nigerian pepper and Jamaican jack spice. These dishes show the same motherland, Africa, but evolved with different rhythms. When he says, those Jamaicans, they cook past us, he is not losing pride. He is celebrating kinships. It's the same family reunion, just different seasoning. The narrator puts it beautifully. Nigeria and Jamaica are twin sisters. Africa is the motherland. This is what food does. It breaks borders. A plate of oxtail can teach history better than a textbook. Because through food, Africa didn't disappear during slavery. It adapted, survived, and returned home through flavor. When the Nigerian says, I feel Jamaican, he is really saying, I feel connected. He is tasting the rhythm of his ancestors in a new language of spice and soul. Now we can't ignore the comedy. Nigerians and Jamaicans are some of the funniest people on the planet. Between Blood Clot and Abeg, it's a whole show. You didn't give me my own plate. Don't get me started. This makes me want to dance. I feel Jamaican. They laugh, they tease, they dance, because food creates joy. This is cultural exchange at its best. No arguments, no competition, just vibes. Through laughter and spice, they find what they have in common. Love for bold flavor, rhythm, and community. The host wraps it up with wisdom. It's not about the food, it's about the spirit. Jamaica's global reputation isn't just built on Bob Marley, beaches, or reggae. It's the energy of the people. When you meet a Jamaican, you feel warmth. When you eat their food, you taste that energy. The mix of freedom, resistance, and creativity. From Kingston to Lagos, from Montego Bay to Abuja. This is one shared heartbeat. The jack chicken and African pepper are cousins. Both born from fire, both telling the same story in different tongues. So what did we learn? The flavor can unite nations. That one plate of food can carry the soul of two continents. And that when Nigerians meet Jamaican food, it's not rivalry. It's a reunion. Because food is memory. Food is identity. And as the video showed, food is spirit. So next time you try jack chicken, oxtail, or rice and peas, remember, you are not just tasting Jamaica. You are tasting Africa's rhythm carried across the seas, seasoned with thyme and served with love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural stories from the Caribbean and Africa. Tell us in the comments which dish do you think connects both worlds best. Until next time, one love, one people, one flavor.